Day number 2, vial number 2 of the Flaviar 2023 whiskey calendar. Welcome back to RGR Craft. I'm Ryan. This is me going rogue today, particularly on whiskey. And this one, particularly, is Irish whiskey. I'm going to try. Oh, I lost that there. Trying to save about 20 mils for the wife out of each taster. This is what you get in the Flaviar packs. You get a 50 mil taste of varied bottlings. So what we have here is a product of Ireland, day number 2, bottled at, looks like 46%. And this is going to be from bottled by Alamo Distilling. Okay, so all the files are going to be bottled by Alamo Distilling. So good for them. Like that they got that shout out, and I'm going to try to remind folks of that without shouting it out every single time. So what do we get here? We get a much more heathered look at a classic triple distilled Irish is my guess from its nose. You get very light heather and some caramel. Not heavy in any way though. There's a little bit of other almost sweetness on the palate. Definitely the oak. And I get just a little bit super light smoke. I doubt this is peated coming off of its nose, but we're going to find out here. And we'll get into the tasting here in a second, but if you would like and sub and hit the bell here on RGR Craft, where we cover craft beer, craft spirits, wine on occasion, as well as craft food, cooking. You foodies, you whiskey holics are going to be into this channel, and I'm going to give you a taste right here. I do like to aerate. That's just my standard. But on the palate, this bottle gives you a very refined, I would guess definitely triple distilled. Actually very smooth at 46% at the bottling. This could do with a drop or two of water. Usually I'll have that on hand. I don't have my dropper tonight, so I think what we'll do is just deal with it neat and go with it. As it opens up a little bit, there's a bit of a drying sensation. It could be that water's really going to help that out just a little bit, as at 46, I'm getting just a little bit of feathery dryness in my palate right now. But this comes across with a wee bit of hidden fruit, certainly that vanilla up top. And I think what I'm really liking is it's matching the nose pretty well. The oak is there, and that residual sweetness, I don't know what to call that, I gotta tell you. We're gonna open the book, which if you have not enjoyed this process, what you get here is a book from Flaviar. As you go through the process, you can look everything up. And this is going to be number 2, J.J. Corey, the Hanson Irish. Okay, bottled at 46, so we were on the right day. They call it cake, that lingering sweetness that I had a little bit of trouble really discerning there, but certainly had the vanilla and the oak. Little bit, I wouldn't say that it was, I would say it was more dry than sweet. Certainly along the path here, that certainly makes sense. I did not get, in terms of fruit, I did not get banana. I can see the peach. It was very subtle, and I didn't pick it out initially, but I would not call that the banana. On the palate scale, I think what you'll see, that really comes down into just the corn type hue, which is one of your options here. Really love these books that you can rate things, keep your notes, and that's something that I'm going to be doing here with this whiskey and all the others. But that right there is day 2, bottle 2, of the 2023 Flaviar whiskey calendar. Make sure you like, sub, and hit that bell. Become part of RGR Craft, because we have a lot of things cooking, literally and figuratively. You'll see more faces on this channel, and I'll be giving you more options for what to eat, drink, and cook. Appreciate your time and your checking us out. Have a good one.